Everybody likes caramel, and I'm not an exception. McFlurry, Snickers, brownie with caramel, toffees, caramel frappuccino. Who can resist the incredible taste of caramel? And I wanted to try to make it myself at home. It's actually very easy and fast, but the process has some important subtleties. For base caramel recipe, we need only three ingredients: sugar, butter, and heavy cream. 30% milk fat would be fine, and additional salt and peanut if you want salted variation. At first, heat granulated sugar in a medium heavy-duty saucepan over medium heat. When sugar starts to turn brown, start stirring constantly. I recommend you to use high heat resistant rubber spatula or wooden spoon. Sugar will clump and eventually melt into a thick brown, amber-colored liquid as you continue to stir. Be careful not to burn. It's extremely important not to miss the moment when sugar mass is ready. Otherwise, caramel can burn and become a little bitter. It's not crucial, the situation can be saved later by extra portion of heavy cream, but bitter taste will remain a little. Sugar mass is ready. Once sugar is completely melted, immediately add the butter. Stir the butter until melted and combined. Be careful in this step because the caramel will bubble rapidly when the butter is added. If you notice the butter separating or if the sugar clumps up, remove from heat and vigorously whisk to combine it again. If you are nervous for splatter, wear kitchen gloves. Keep whisking until it comes back together, even if it takes 3-4 minutes. It will eventually, just keep whisking. Remove from heat and slowly stir in a half of cream. Since the heavy cream is colder than the hot caramel, the mixture will rapidly bubble when added. It is better to use salt dipper pan. I took this one for greater clarity of the process. If you want thicker consistency, use less heavy milk. I want creamy silk texture, so I'm adding more cream. For me, cooking caramel is relaxing. Those sounds, patterns of white streaks on gold and fragrant smell. No scented candle beats this splendid smell. After all heavy cream has been added, stop stirring and allow boil for 1 minute. It will rise in the pan as it boils. And our caramel is ready. If you want, add the salt. Don't forget to stir it well. Then allow to slightly cool down before using. Caramel thickens as it cools. Pour the caramel into the jar. Cover tightly. Caramel can be stored for a very long time. You can also reheat to desired consistency later if you need it. Add peanuts or other nuts. Caramel is perfect for cakes, cupcakes, cookies, cheesecakes, and a lot of other tasty things. I love tartlets with caramel and hazelnuts for bonfire or parties. Toast with caramel and fresh fruits and coffee with caramel, as for me, a perfect couple for breakfast. Caramel is also good as a topping for pancakes and waffles. I have a good recipe of banana pancakes on my channel. It goes well with caramel. You should definitely try it. And an ice cream with nut crumb covered with caramel, of course. It's my favorite. It's blizzard and minus 20 degrees Celsius outside. Why not to eat an ice cream, right? Subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and write in the comments about your results and favorite recipes with caramel. Maybe I haven't tried something yet. It would be interesting to read your suggestions for caramel. Bon appetit!